So here's how you make microwave kettle corn popcorn. Microwave popcorn. Open it up. Half of it in here. Then you take a sweet and low. Put it in there. Then take the rest of it in here. Then add another thing of sweet and low. Put it on top.
Oh my goodness, man. Oh.
Kettle corn popcorn. That's how you do it.